Hey, what's going on? What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Taylor Explorer back with another video. In today's video, and yes, it's pissing outside. And yep, that was lightning you guys saw. But yeah, more lightning once again. And yes, even though even though me personally, I hate thunderstorms. I hate traveling in them. I've always been, I've always, I was always afraid of traveling in thunderstorms. Um, yep, that was more lightning you guys saw, and yes, Saturday night at 8:30, at 8:36. Yeah, so I'm off work, so I'm coming home from work. But yeah, I just gotta keep. I'm not going nowhere until I see, and that's more lightning you guys saw. I ain't moving my ass until I see a bus, cause there's no fucking way I am standing out there and like fucking lightning and thunder. Raining and rain, I don't mind. I love rain. I I've actually went outside between Nothing King Champion and Block Magic in rain. We were talking. Mostly talking. But yeah, I mean thunder and lightning, no, that's a bad idea. Honestly. It's a bad idea. And that's more lightning you guys saw. But yeah, my god, but yeah, welcome to Canadian weather. Like, it was sunny this morning when I went, oh Jesus, when I went out to walk. And yeah, I do not know if you guys can hear, but there's thunder in the background. But I have no idea if you guys can hear it. But just let me know in the comments if you can hear the thunder in this video. But yeah, good thing I wore pants. Holy fuck. But yeah, I think you guys may be able to hear this thunder. And this is happening in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, I'm not here. This building right here across from me is part of the Algonquin College. But yeah, I mean, but whoa, that was some more lightning before that thunder. Okay, let's just see if I see a bus. No, I do not. Okay, next up, I have my wallet because my Presto is in my wallet. You know, I want to lose that. But yeah, welcome to Canadian weather, ladies and gentlemen, and you guys saw that. So basically, most of this video is like rain, thunder, and well, mainly lightning, because I've been capturing all the lightning in this video. But yeah, okay, but yeah, let's see if I can get a couple more lightning in this video. No, not the Tampa Bay lightning, but yeah, there's one, lightning 2, lightning 3, lightning 4, lightning 5, lightning 6. Lightning 7, Lightning 1, Lightning 2, Lightning 3, Lightning 4, Lightning 5, Lightning... Ooh, 5 that time! But yeah, I think... But yeah, whoa, there's another one. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Kid Explore fans of all ages, yeah. Oh, okay, my bus is here. So yeah, boys and girls, like, subscribe, comment. I'm out. Peace.